Hello everyone. Sorry. Last time I introduced some, the main features for the outbound call center solution powercc. It's for example like report, account, service, security, and monitoring settings and so on. Today I will introduce some main features, for example for customer admin, with maintenance menu and query menu. Here maintenance menu, there are four categories here. The first one is bulletin. Bulletin means, for example, as a platform, administrator can send some notice or some notice file or some information to all the platform users. Every customer, each customer can log in the system and can see the notice. It's very useful for some like broadcasting. Second part is RAS. RAS is a remote tools. For example, like if you create the connection here with our RAS client, the client can easily access our system like SSH or Teamweaver, easy to maintain the system. Backup. Here is a backup. Backup is, for example, if you set the backup, for example, you set the FTP service here. You can set FTP server for enter the password, username, port, IP address, so customer can make a backup for this server. The backup contents here also got the backup contents. For example, like if you record some CDR files, or you can make a content. If you backup CDR, then say backup, then select yes. If it's audio file, for example, record file, call record for the system supervisor or call center agents, call center managers, you can make this backup. Of course, we have also set the restart strategy here. Everyone know that if, for example, as a platform is sometimes for the server, or sometimes we have to restart maybe after certain time for the system stability. We have two restart strategy. Here is restart immediately. For example, when we set that the system, when the system reach the time, then this customer can easily to restart it. That is very smart and very unique feature. And second one is restarting cycle. Here we can see that when we enable this status, we can see that for example the cycle in the, for example, each week, each day, or each month, we can see, for example, each week, we can see, if we set each week, we can say Monday or Tuesday, then set a time, exactly time. That's a very unique, very smart feature. That will be very good for the system. I mean, to make system call, make a restart when we set the convenient time. For example, we can set Saturday. It's easier for customer to maintain the system than customer second. For example, following week, they come up, they can check the system and without any interruption. Here is query. Query means system check the system historic data. For example, CDR, recall list, call task, call result. CDR, for example, like maybe customer make a call, there's a lot of parameters can store in. Here we don't have much data yet. We can see the who make a call, the task name, service type. For example, you see the trunk or PSTN, the answer time, end time. You can see the detail here. We also can export the selection, or import the filter, export all data from here. Record list, we can see for example, we can see the customer set record. We can see the who launched the record and the task name, start, end, the caller calling. Call task means like a call strategy. For example, call schedule. We can set the, we can see when create the task, who create the task, or task name, call type, running status means so far the task finished or not, maybe still in process or finished or not start yet. Call result means, for example, we can see the who make a call. For example, this company, for example, High Star, make a call, the task name, the CID, answer time, the call duration, release code. Release code means like cost code, for example, 400, 200, all things here. Call result, for example, failure call, answer call, busy call, all stuff here. So today, until now, we finished to introduce the whole main menu already. Later, maybe in future, we will start to introduce the particular jobs. For example, how to create the customers. For example, how to create a service, how to set security, how to monitor the system, how to set password, and the parameters. For example, like user priorities and so on. So today I finished the two features already. Later I will introduce more features. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.